Hello students, this is our grammar topic, pronouns. So what is pronouns? What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Types of pronouns. There are many types of pronouns. Let's see. Personal pronouns. In this there are two categories: the subject of a verb, the object of a verb. Possessive pronouns, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, interrogative pronouns or relative pronouns, and other pronouns. Personal pronouns. The subject of a verb. Now, what is subject? The subject is the person or thing doing something. The subject is the doer of the action. जो action को करता है, that is subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they can all be used as the subject of a verb. These are called subject. Examples: Lisa likes cats. Now, Lisa is a proper noun because Lisa is a particular name of a person. So, Lisa is proper noun and this is subject also. She has 4 cats. Now, she takes the place of Lisa. She comes for Lisa. So, she is pronoun. Subject pronoun. Now, look at this another example. Sharma is a good teacher. He is a good player. Now, Sharma is a noun. The word Sharma is a noun and he is a pronoun. Okay students, this is called subjective case of personal pronoun. Now, the object of a verb: me, you, him, her, it, us, and them can all be used as the object of a verb. Now, what is object? The object is having something done to it. Or objects are the opposite. Instead of doing something, they are acted upon. जिनके ऊपर कोई एक्ट किया जाता है, जिन पर इफेक्ट पड़ता है एक्शन का, दैट आर ऑब्जेक्ट. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them can all be used as the object of a verb. For example, Lisa likes cats. She likes to stroke them. Now, cats is objective and noun. She likes to stroke them. Them, here them takes the place of cats. So, them is pronoun, cats is noun. Cats, noun, them, pronoun. Both are objective pronoun. Objective case of personal pronoun. Cats, them. Now next, personal pronouns: subject, object. First person singular I, object me. Second person singular you, object you. Third person singular he, she, it, and the object he, him, she, her, it, it. First person plural we, object of we is us. Second person plural you, the same in object is you. Third person plural they, and the object of they is them. So these are subject and these are object. Next, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. The word mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are possessive pronouns. Examples: this book is mine. Have you lost yours, Tom? So possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. जो किसी चीज़, किसी पर्सन से कोई चीज़ बिलोंग करती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल दिस बुक इज़ माइन, यह बुक मेरी है. Now see singular personal pronoun and possessive pronouns. I, me. Possessive pronoun is mine. You, yours. For he, him, the possessive pronoun is his. She, her, hers. Plural personal pronoun we, us. Possessive pronoun ours. You, yours. They, them, theirs. Next, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer to the noun or pronoun that is the subject of the verb. The words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves are reflexive pronouns. Examples: my brother built this computer himself. Now himself is related to my brother. My brother built this computer himself. John was looking at himself in the mirror. Some more examples: be careful not to cut yourself with that knife. Our cat washes itself every meal. We baked the cake by ourselves. Come in, everybody, and find yourselves a seat. The children cleaned their room all by themselves. Bears like to rub themselves against a tree. The bird washed itself by splashing in a puddle. The players train every day to keep themselves it. Singular personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun. I, subject pronoun. Myself. Me, myself. You, yourself. He, himself. Him, himself. She, herself. It, itself. For plural personal pronoun, we, ourselves. Us, ourselves. You, yourselves. They, themselves. Them, themselves. Now we will do the another types in the next video. Thank you.